Most homeowners going through a repair or re-roof project have no idea of the importance of pipe boots. Today we're going to look at 5 common styles. First option is basically a standard pipe boot, common on many homes, made of hard plastic and actually has a rubber ring around it. This is what will seal to your pipe. So the pipe fits right through, fits snugly. As you can see, it has a natural curve just like your roof would. Challenge with these can be as the angles will change, sometimes that connection will get a little bit loose. This is your common source of repair need. With a new roof, we expect these to last, in our climate, probably 7 to 10 years. In some harsher climates, it can be as little as 3 to 5 years before that rubber starts to degrade. Who would I recommend this to? I would say this is a common solution when you're looking to stay on a budget. If your home has many vent pipes, you're looking at a $10 to $20 cost per boot. Installation is simple, very easy for most installation crews that deal with shingles. If you're looking for an economic solution today, this will buy you some time and you can always repair it down the road. Just be careful to catch it in time. For comparative sake, this would be the alternative. Instead of being hard plastic, it's made of aluminum. The seal is going to have the exact same type of issues down the road, though. You're still looking at a rubber actual connection to the pipe. That's what's going to degrade. That's what's going to cause leaks down the road. So again, in our climate, 7 to 10 years. In a very harsh climate, could be as little as 3 to 5 before this is going to have failure. What will weather do to that? What can wind do to that? A lot. So that does become an issue. Don't love that. I know, right? Isn't that just sad? Yeah. A little dog ear or something. It's crazy. Yeah. All right. Next option would be the ultimate pipe boot flashing. This is the ideal. This has a lifetime warranty. I usually don't believe in warranties on pipe boots because if it has a lifetime warranty, I'm just explaining this to you as much as anything. If there is a lifetime warranty on a pipe boot and it costs $5, it's probably going to cost you $10 to send it in and try and file the claim. And it only covers the boot. So normally warranty is not important. On these, I do believe they offer a lifetime warranty because they believe it will last. So what is different in this? It looks like rubber, but it's not. It's actually silicone. So it's going to hold up against the sun, rain, weather. That should give you the same life as your actual roofing shingles. Replace the boots when you replace the new roof. In terms of the base, I can't bend this like you can with the cheap aluminum. The base of this is a 24 gauge galvanized steel with a Kynar paint finish. So just like a nice standing seam metal roof is going to give you, it's going to hold up, it's not going to fade. It's going to be extremely hard to bend. And they're so detailed, they actually put the holes right there for you to put the nails in for installation. So as long as you're installing this properly, this should last the entire life of your roofing system. This can be installed anywhere from flat to an extremely steep roof and still has a nice solid seal, not going to let any water in. Anyone looking to put a roof on and not worry about it for 20 plus years, anyone looking to make sure their home is worry-free, maintenance-free, this is one of the most common areas of leaks and issues and future maintenance. Between the price of OSB and the price of shingles skyrocketing, this is your one-stop solution. You're done. Get a new boot when you get a new roof. So why would someone not choose this? As opposed to the economy that's easy, one-stop, no custom measuring, 10 to 20 bucks at Lowe's, you can run out and grab one. This is gonna be something you have to pre-order. It is an exact size. On the side it says 2, it's a 2-inch pipe, 2-inch boot. So you have to be exact on your measurements. And the cost of these is gonna be pushing closer to $100 a boot instead of $10, $15, $20 a boot. So bigger investment, but worry-free. All right, so the next 2 options would be basically ideal in a repair scenario. So with a new roof, you'll have a fresh start. You'll get your 10 years to lifetime expectation. A repair type collar is something that will slide over. This is again an economy solution. You can slide that over, seal it. It's basically replacing what was initially there. So you have failure on your initial boot. You're not tearing up shingles. You're not having to remove a whole bunch of items from your roof and reseal and have a mismatch. You put this down, get a nice tight seal. You're good to go for another 5 to 10 years. Now this is really what I would prefer for a repair when possible. Custom sizes. So this part actually comes out as an insert. It's attached to the pipe. That slides in. Obviously you need a nice snug fit for this to make any kind of sense, but it does adjust. It has a little lever on the side so it can actually adjust to whatever pitch your roof would be. Obviously extremely hard plastic, so we probably want to seal around the base there just to make sure all the water stays out. But other than that, it's one and done. Should last you as long as you would need a repair to do. I don't love this for a new roof. I don't think the use would necessarily extend the exact same life of a new roof replacement. I would definitely go with an ultimate in that scenario. But in terms of a repair, I think you're going to get a good life out of this solution. Again, a little bit more expensive. A cheap collar is probably a few dollars. Something like this, you're looking at maybe a $20 investment for the parts, and then obviously a little more time to get up there and install it. But a good solution. It's really, in a repair situation, going to be the best option to extend your life. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment and we'll get back to you. See you next time.